Hi, I'm Kim, and I make custom-made dream catchers. You guys voted on Instagram what video you would like to see for this week, and this was the winner, a rainbow dip dye dream catcher. So I will be showing you how to do the dip dye. This won't be a tutorial on how to weave the web. If you guys would like to watch a detailed tutorial how to actually weave the Dreamcatcher web, you guys can check out my channel if you are new, and I have a whole bunch of tutorial videos there. So the basic movement to weave the web is down, around and through. So it's down, around and through, pull tight, and then just do it all the way around with even spacing. If you guys haven't weaved a Dreamcatcher web before, don't stress out. This web is meant to be a little bit more complicated than usual. I wanted to try something a bit different out because I was getting bored of the normal style, and I was getting ready for the launch of the April collection, which is very exciting, which is a few days away, and it features all the dream catchers in this video. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. I will leave all the shopping links. If you guys would like a custom made order, you can just reach me through them.
Things that I should never laugh about in front of family. I try to call you from the party. It's full of punks and cannonballers. I need my girl. I need my girl. I'm under the gun. Who I was 45% of them. I know I was a lot of things. I am
hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe. I have new videos on heaps of Dreamcatcher things, and if you would like something custom made, just check out my Instagram. You guys can find all my links there so you guys can have a custom made item. I'd love to make something for you. And we also have DIY kits at Dreamcatcher Collective, so you guys can check that out as well. And if you would like to vote for videos, you guys can just click the links in my description box down below. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!